Did you know that you can control your iOS device with just a tap on its back? This is a feature called back tap and most of us don't even know about it. In this video you will learn how to do that, and also I will show you few useful features that you will possibly need. First, make sure that your back tap option is enabled. To check this, you need to go to settings, scroll down and open accessibility. Now you need to scroll down again and click on touch option, and here you need to scroll again till the end of the page and click on back tap. So here you just need to enable whether it's double tap or triple tap. So here when you click on it, there will be a lot of features that you can set and use for a double tap option. So basically this is, let's say, screenshot. If I tap 2 times on the back, my phone will take a screenshot, as you can see here. Now this is okay, right? But there is more features that you can combine back tap with. For example, shortcuts. Now what you can do whatever you want. So basically, if we open shortcuts application, here you will see every shortcut that's on your phone, but let's create another one. So click on plus in top right corner, and here you can search for actions. Now let's say I want to take a photo with my back tap button. So click on search actions, click on photo and click take photo. Now we can see that this shortcut will take one photo with back camera, but we will also need to save photo somewhere. So click on search actions again and type save to photos. Now click on it, and here you can select where do you want to save your photo. So basically recent is on photo application, so that's just normal save place. Now we need to go back to our back tap in settings. So now you can choose if you're going to go with double tap or triple tap. For the purpose of this video, I will go double tap. Now what you need to do, after you enabled shortcut, go to double tap and open it and scroll down where you will see shortcuts option. Now here you will see your shortcut that you made last. So basically this is save to photos shortcut, that's the name, and here it is. Now when you see this blue check mark, it means that double tap will work as your camera, and when you click on it, it will save the photo it took with back camera to photos. So basically you can play with this, mix your actions, shortcuts and features however you like. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.